Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, Toyota has officially changed the game for plug-in hybrids. We're looking at the all-new 2026 Toyota RAV4 PHEV. While it looks sleeker and packs more punch, the real headline isn't about its speed or its styling. It's about what it can do when the lights go out. Toyota just revealed a revolutionary 7A backup power trick that turns this SUV into a literal power station for your home. In an era of unpredictable weather and energy instability, Toyota is offering something far more valuable than just transportation: peace of mind. Let's dive into how this system works, the upgraded performance, and why the 2026 RAV4 PHEV is now the ultimate survival tool for the modern world. Let's talk about the feature that is making global headlines. The 2026 RAV4 PHEV features an advanced vehicle-to-home, or V2H, power supply system. Here is the magic. With a full battery and a full tank of gas, this car can provide enough electricity to power an average household for up to 7 days. It works by using the hybrid battery first, and once that is depleted, the internal combustion engine kicks in to act as a generator to recharge the battery and keep your home running. Whether it's your refrigerator, your lights, or your communication devices, the RAV4 has you covered. Plus, with the 1,500-watt AC outlet in the cargo area, you can power hydro appliances even when you're deep in the wilderness. Visually, the 2026 model receives a refined look, especially in the new GR Sport trim we see here. Notice the more aggressive mesh grille, the piano black accents, and the exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels. Inside, the transformation continues with a focus on premium utility. The digital stage cockpit now features a larger 12.3-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials have been upgraded to more durable, high-quality synthetics, perfect for those who actually take their RAV4 on adventures. The dual-zone climate control can now be operated remotely, allowing you to precondition the cabin using the power from the grid before you even step outside. Under the hood, the 2026 RAV4 PHEV is a powerhouse. It delivers a combined 324 horsepower from its 2.5-liter engine and upgraded electric motors. That's enough to rocket this SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.7 seconds. But the big news for 2026 is the addition of DC fast charging support. You can now charge from 10% to 80% in about 35 minutes, making long-distance EV travel much more viable. On a full charge, you get nearly 100 kilometers of pure electric range, which means most people will complete their daily commute without ever burning a drop of gasoline. It's the perfect bridge between the gasoline past and the electric future. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 PHEV is no longer just a crossover. It's a mobile energy reserve, a sports SUV, and a family hauler all in one. By giving it the ability to power a home for a full week, Toyota has set a new benchmark for what we should expect from a plug-in hybrid. It's reliable, incredibly powerful, and now it's a literal lifesaver. I'm Ava, and I want to know, is this 7-day power trick enough to make you choose the RAV4 over a fully electric rival? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech.